Customer lifetime value (CLV) is a metric used in marketing to estimate the total value of a customer to a business over the course of their relationship. It is a measurement of how valuable a customer is to the company, not just on a purchase-by-purchase basis but across the whole relationship. Customer lifetime value is a prediction of the net profit attributed to the future relationship with a customer. To calculate CLV, a business typically takes the average purchase value of a customer, multiplies it by the number of purchases made per year, and then multiplies that by the number of years the customer is expected to remain with the business. This calculation gives the estimated total value of the customer to the business over the course of their relationship. As an example, imagine a university with a cafe that sells coffee, fast food, and bakery products. John enrolls in a 3-year undergraduate program at the university and starts buying a cup of coffee every other day for 100 rupees. This means that John's value to the cafe is 1,500 rupees per month. Assuming he stays on campus for 10 months per year, his annual value to the cafe is 15,000 rupees, and his lifetime value is 45,000 rupees. It's worth noting that this calculation assumes that John only purchases coffee. If he also buys other items, his lifetime value to the cafe would be even higher. Understanding a customer's lifetime value is crucial for any business, as it helps them prioritize marketing strategies, service delivery, and customer engagement. In this case, if the cafe treats John as a customer worth 45,000 rupees, they are more likely to provide excellent service and offer incentives to keep him coming back. For instance, offering John a free cup of coffee would still result in a profit for the cafe, given his high lifetime value. CLV is an important metric for businesses because it helps to identify the most valuable customers and can inform marketing strategies. By understanding the potential value of a customer over the long term, businesses can focus their marketing efforts on acquiring and retaining high-value customers. Additionally, CLV can help businesses to prioritize customer service efforts, as it is often more cost-effective to retain existing customers than to acquire new ones. CLV goes hand in hand with another important metric, CAC, customer acquisition cost. That's the money company invests in attracting a new customer, including advertising, marketing, special offers, and so on. Customer lifetime value only really makes sense if the company also takes the CAC into account. Comparing a CLV with customer acquisition cost, CAC, can help determine which marketing strategies are working and what is hurting the profit margins. For example, if the customer lifetime value of an average customer is 1,000, but it costs over 1,000 to acquire them through advertising, marketing, and offers, then the coffee chain may be operating at a loss. In such a case, it's crucial to reduce the acquisition costs. Additionally, it's essential to monitor the cost of acquiring and retaining each customer closely. There are the following benefits of CLV. It helps in spending advertising and marketing rupees wisely, focusing on the customer segments that deliver the highest profit. It can help in better customer profiling and segmentation to offer customized services. Using CLV, companies can plan better for the availability of the service or product by predicting future demand by customers. It helps in predicting churn and enables the design of new programs to reduce attrition. Companies can prioritize on which customer to win back, design strategies, and take necessary steps. However, it is important to note that CLV is an estimate, and there are many factors that can impact a customer's behavior and their value to a business over time. Businesses must continue to monitor and analyze their customer data to ensure that their CLV estimates are accurate and up to date. Here are a few ways of improving customer lifetime value. Invest in customer experience. Listen to customer feedback is a powerful way to reduce unwanted churn and turn dissatisfied customers into newly loyal ones. Ensure the onboarding process is seamless. Start a loyalty program to incentivize repeat business by offering discounts or benefits in return. Recognize and reward the best customers. This could include free expedited shipping, top-tier benefits in the loyalty program, or access to exclusive or pre-release products and services. Cross-sell and upsell loyal customers. Provide omni-channel support. Social media usage is increasingly important not only for customer communication but for customers to gather information on the brand and public image. I hope this lecture helped you in understanding the concept of customer lifetime value. Thank you for watching.